First off, if you're new to this channel, please hit the like and subscribe button so you can stay tuned for all my future content. And I wanted to do a couple announcements today. So I finally got my first AdSense payout. What that means is YouTube pays you money for the amount of views that you get. Pretty easy to set up. There's a lot of YouTube tutorials that you can watch that will actually help you out with that if you have enough subscribers, put enough content out there, and views, and etc. So what I kind of would like to do is essentially open this up for a giveaway. There's a small payout that I got for my first time. It was $100. So what I think I'm going to do is just give that money back to you guys. So the way this is going to work is once I hit 500 subscribers, we are going to do a drawing. I'm going to take everybody's names. I'm going to put it into a little spreadsheet, and it'll cycle through everybody's names, and it'll be a random pick. But with springtime coming up, what I'm thinking I'd like to do is go with like a Chemical Guys product, like their starter pack for like a wash and a wax and something like that. I'll dig around on the website, but I want it to be around $100. But I'd like to see this channel grow. It's all thanks to you guys, so that's kind of what I'm thinking about doing. So the way we do this is just continue to watch these videos, subscribe, comment, like, share, do all that normal stuff, because it really means a lot, to see this channel grow. It started as a hobby of mine. I'm a car guy just like all you guys that are watching this stuff. It is kind of a small niche, community, but I do tend to focus my videos more on the no BS, kind of just straight to the point stuff. I'm not really a big vlogger or anything like that. You're not going to see me drive around and go to McDonald's and order food and do all this stuff before you get to the main content of each video. I just like the install stuff. I give you honest reviews and opinions and stuff like that, because that's to me, those are the things that matters. So again, please hit the like button, hit subscribe, and I'll see you next time.